welcome to another video on my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial for the song Ingumlilo by Joyous Celebration. So I know you guys are usually used to seeing me post a cover before I do a tutorial, and I've already done the cover for the song, but then it's currently blocked because of some copyright violations, whatnot. You know the story with YouTube videos that are songs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the actual cover pinned at the top of this video throughout the entire video. So throughout the entire video, you should be able to see somewhere at like the top left corner, somewhere around there, and then just click on that. You can go watch the cover if you want to, right? So yeah, let's get straight into the tutorial. So the song is broken down into 3 different parts here. We'll start with the introduction, then we do the verse, and then almost like a bridge kind of thing, or is it just a introduction? I'm not really sure how it goes, but there's just 3 parts here. So anyways, so this is how the introduction goes. Right, so what are we playing here, right? Left hand's playing a 5, right hand's playing a 2, 5, 7. Left hand's playing a 6, right hand's playing a 4, 5, 1. So now left hand's playing a 3, right hand's playing a 1, 2, 5. So now left hand's so you repeat again. Repeat. Now left hand's playing a 2, right hand's playing a 6, 1, 4, 5. Then I go this. Now left hand's playing a 4, right hand's playing a 6 flat, 1, 2, 4. Right, then left hand you can whack an octave, 5 octave, because it's just like a right, so 5, 6, 1, 4, 3, 1, 6. So again, 5, 6, 5, 6, 1, 4, 3, 1, 6, 3, 4, 3, 4, 6, 1, 3 flat, 2, 1, 6, 1. So all together. So I said it's a 5, 6, 1, 4, 3, 1, 6. Right. So all together. Right. Then that's literally the entire introduction. So all together. Right, then now we go to the verse part, where now in this section here you're literally following a melody line of you playing a 1, 1, then you go into a 4, da 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 da, then 1 over 5, da da da, then a 5, da 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 da, 4 over 5, 1. So 1 straight 4, 1 over 5. Mean the 1 on the right hand, 5 on the left hand, then a 5 chord, then 4 over 5, because you're playing 4 in your right hand, 5 in your left hand, 1. That's literally the entire thing. You play that progression over there. So like if you know how to play that progression, you can literally go ahead and play it right now, right? But obviously the way I play it, there are some embellishments making it sound better and all that right stuff. So I'll probably play like this, da 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 da. Right, so I told you it's 1, then 4, right? So we started at 1, where left hand's playing a 1, 5, 1, right hand's doing a 2, 3, 5, 1. Then I'm walking up from the 1 to play a 4, right? So you can play 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Because I said we're going from 1 to 4. Our 2, I'm voicing a 2-1-2 in your left hand. Right hand's doing a 4, 7 flat 1-4. Now left hand's doing a 3-1-3. Right hand's voicing a 5-1-2-5. Left hand is doing a 4-1-3. Right hand's doing a 6-1-3-6. It's our 4 chord, or you can just do a 5-6-1-3. So now left hand's doing a 2-6-1, right hand's doing a 3-4-6-1. Another passing chord, left hand's doing a 4-1-2, right hand's doing a 4-6 flat 2. Left hand's doing a 5 octave, right hand's doing a 3-5-1-3. Now left hand's doing a 2-1, right hand's doing a 5 flat 1-2-3. Left hand's doing a 5 octave, right hand's doing a 4-6-2. Left hand's doing 5 octave, right hand's doing a 1 suspended chord, which is a 1-4-5-1. It's a 1 suspended 4 chord. Now we're resolving it to a 1-5-1 left hand, 2-3-5-1 right hand. Right, so now I'm playing it. Da, da, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. This is like a -7 flat 5 of this 4 chord, but let's just call it because you're doing a 4-1-2, so you can do like a minor. Let's call it a minor 4, because that's a major 4. That's a minor 4, right? Right? Then we're just adding that 2 over there, right? See, because left hand is doing the exact same thing as the right hand, except the right hand has that flat 6. Right, now for the last part where it goes Lento, Lento, da, da. It's literally just playing the chords which I told you. We're going from the 1, then we're going to the 4, then we're going to the 1/5, 5, back to the 1. So what are they playing? Lento, Lento, 4. For the second part, they're literally repeating as you played previously, right? But the first part, we're doing a 1. We're playing it 2 times. So your 1-5-1 left hand, 2-3-5-1 right hand, or however you want to play your 1, right? Or however you want to play a 1. You're just playing a 1 there. What I do next is I play a 3 chord, which is literally, you can keep so for the 1, your right hand was doing a 2-5-1, right? You can literally keep that, because this is literally how you play a 3 chord, but except for using the 1 in the bass, we're now using the 3 in the bass. See, that's all that changes the chord from being a 1 chord to being a 3 chord, right? So, right, so left hand's playing a 3-1, right hand's still keeping that 2-5-1. Right? Now left hand we can do a 4 octave because we're going to the 4 chord. 4 octave left hand, right hand 6-1-3-6 to play the 4, but you can obviously do other things. So you can also do this as a 4 chords. Left hand's doing a 4-1-3, right hand's doing a 5-6-1-3. Why do I say this? Because you're going to go back to that chord over there where you're playing the 4-1-2 in your left hand, and then a 4-6-1-2, a 4-6 flat 2 in your right hand before you go to that you repeat. So Alright, so that's literally how you play the entire song. Let me just go through it one time, everything, so you guys can hear how it all sounds together. Alright, so from the intro. Boom. The second time. Okay, I messed up a bit. Right, so that's literally how the entire song goes. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial here. Till next time, guys, stay blessed.